चालू हो गया वो।
Dear students, today we shall study about resources and development for class 10th. Resources. Everything in our environment that can be used to satisfy our needs is called resource, which is technologically, economically feasible and culturally stable, can be termed as resource. Human beings themselves are essentials components of resources. Is the help of technology and institution structure, they transform material available in the nature into economically viable resources. Type of resources. There are two types of resources, natural and human. First, natural resources, the classification of natural resources. Renewable, non-renewable. Continuous or flow. Biologically, natural, vegetation, forest and wildlife. Non-renewable, recyclable and non-recyclable. Classification of resources on the basis of origin, उत्पत्ति के आधार पर. Biotic resources, these resources are obtained from biosphere, human being. Livestock, flora and fauna, etc. Coal and petroleum may be considered as biotic resources as they are formed by decaying of life form. Second, abiotic resources. Their resources are composed of non-living things, soil, rocks, metals, winds, etc. On the basis of accessibility of limitation of use. First, renewable resources. The renewable resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical process are known as renewable or replenishable resource. Solar energy, wind energy, forest, water, wildlife, etc. It can be further subdivided into two forms. First, flora or continuous resource. These resources can be used and replenished at the same time. It does not remain in one location and moves about because of natural actions in the physical environment. Running water, solar radiation, wind and tides. Biological resource. These resources are formed by the biological process. It is further divided into two types: natural vegetation, forest cover and flora. wildlife, fauna. Second, non-renewable resources. These resources are formed through long geological time period and cannot be renewed. Mineral, metal and fossil fuels. These resources may further be divided. Recyclable metal can be recycled by technological application to the recyclable, non-recyclable. Fossil fuels burn rapidly, readily and cannot be recycled, so they are non-recyclable. On the basis of ownership, individual resources. These resources are owned privately by individual. Plantation, pasture land, farmland, water in well, ponds. Community on resources. These resources are accessible to all the members of the community. Grazing grounds, burial grounds, ponds in bliss, public parks, etc. National resources. These resources are under the control of nation, country, canal, coal mines, territorial sea, railway, etc. International resources. These resources are owned and regulated by the international institutions. Open sea used for peaceful navigation. Open for flights, movement, etc. on the basis of the status of development. Potential resources. These resources are found in a region in abundance but have not been developed properly. Solar and wind energy in Gujarat and Rajasthan, vast tidal waves in the coasts of India. Second, developed resources. These resources are surveyed and quantified for utilization through available technology, coal, petroleum, etc. Stock. These resources have the potential of satisfy human need. The required technical knowledge to use them is not developed. Hydrogen and oxygen in water can be a rich resources of energy, but technical know how for this purpose is not available. Reserve. These are specific stocks for which appropriate technological know how is available, but exploration is not started yet. That's all.